Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how to fix app not installed error on Android phone. So there are a few solutions to this problem. The first one is you need to just go to your Google Play Services app and you need to just clear its cache and data. So for that, just go to your phone settings. Now just scroll down and click on apps. Now click on the second option, manage apps. Now in the top search bar, search for Google Play Services. Now in this app here, click on the top option, storage. Now click on the bottom option, clear data, and click on clear cache. Click on OK, and again click on the bottom option, clear data, click on manage space, and here you can see the last option, clear all data. Click on it. Now after that, if it is still not working, in the top search bar, search for Google Play Store. Now in the Google Play Store, again do the same work. Just go to your storage, click the bottom option, clear data, click on clear cache. Now just click the bottom, clear all data, and click on OK. And still the problem is not solved. You can just go to your Play Store and click the top right, your profile icon. Now click on the middle option here, Play Protect. Now click the top right settings icon. Now you need to just disable these options, turn off. So guys, that's it. That's how you can solve the app not installed error on Android phone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.